Hi guys, I am Dr. Nanda Balaji. Today we are discuss about the topic of laser applications like as a coherent light sources. Laser transform industries from medicine to manufacturing. The global laser market is projected to reach 30 billion by 2028. These presentations explore the diverse application of lasers, laser fundamentals and the science of light amplification. First of all, principle of the laser. Laser operate on Einstein's principle of stimulated emission. This process amplifies light within a specific medium. Key components: a laser comprises a gain medium, pump source, and an optical resonator. These elements work together to produce laser light. Unique properties: laser light is coherent, monochromatic, and highly directional, and the properties makes laser incredibly versatile materials. And applications of laser like as a medical precision in the healthcare, like as ophthalmologies. LASIK eye surgery uses excimer lasers for precise corneal reshaping. This corrects vision problems effectively. And dermatology, phycosecond and CO2 laser remove tattoos and resurface skin. They offer targeted treatment with minimal damage. Surgery of fiber and endiog laser enable bloodless incision and tumor ablation. They enhance surgical precision and patient safety. Second, the industrial applications of lasers like as a manufacturing revolution. First of all, we saw the industrial applications of cutting and welding technologies, high power fiber lasers exceeding 20 kilowatt cut and weld steel. This boosts efficiency and precision in fabrication. Drilling, femtosecond lasers perform micro drilling for aerospace and electronics. They achieve extreme precision in tiny components. Next, additive manufacturing, laser powder bed fashion, revaluations, 3D printing. It creates complex geometrics with high accuracy. References for industrial lasers and communication and sensing, like as connecting the world. Uses of lasers, fiber optic material enable high speed data transportation over 10 Tbps per fiber. LiDAR powers autonomous vehicles and 3D mapping with centimeter accuracy. Free space optics connects satellites to ground station and provides urban broadband. Scientific and research, unlocking new knowledge of spectroscopy, lasers analysis materials, and explore fundamental physics. They enable atomic emission studies. Optical pieces manipulate micro objects like single cells for biological research. This offers precedent controls and fusion research of internal confinement fusion exemplified by NIF yields of 1.3 mj. Lasers are key to achieving sustainable energy and emerging applications and future outlook of laser source. Quantum technologies. Lasers are crucial for quantum computing and cryptography. Trapped ion lasers are a key example for quantum technologies. Space propulsion. Laser driven sails could enable interstellar travel. The Breakthrough Starshot initiative explores this. Directed energy weapons, defense applications like the US Navy's launch system use powerful lasers They offer precision and speed. Conclusion and key references of laser source. Lasers have become indispensable tool across diverse sectors. Continued innovations drives new capabilities and expands existing markets. Their impact will only grow the another applications. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.